Okay, guys. Yes! How you doing? Pinoy World Anglers. Okay, I'm gonna showcase what we have done today in collaboration with Nikki Roas. This is what we have, a finished product that you guys gonna like it and people will love it. We hope. Just had to pray and ask that we'll get this thing on the way, right? So not only that, I'm so happy with you guys for what you have done. I am strongly a believer that you guys can do, because as what I was saying before, that we can do this. So ang challenge ko sa inyo by February 1st will be a logo, a decal that na pwede nating gawin or pwede niyong gawin. Okay? And then of course, sa mga pinapagawa namin sa inyo, aka nga, shout out to Patrick, right? Wala namang mahirap sa ginagawa. Nothing. Lahat pwedeng mahanapan ng paraan. Kasi lahat panalo sa mga ginagawa niyo. We just have to take all those time and then we will be able to get our funds or my funds to get it to you. First and foremost, thank you. We believe, which is 316 right there, as you can see. Our logo, PWA, is right there. Believe still in that thing right there. It's so cool. So I can showcase this one pag pupunta ako ng work. But see, ang ganda tingnan, di ba? This is grabe kaganda, man. I'm telling. So, hindi lang na napasaya niyo ako with you know. Ang saya-saya ko talaga, man, kasi lahat kayo gumagawa ng paraan. Kasi ito masasabi ko sa inyo, ha. Gawa natin to. Siguro, hindi lang siguro na makatulong ako sa inyo na gears and rods. All we have to do, just do sa makakaya niyong gawin. You know, I am willing to help you out. We just have to do it. Focus on what I can do to help you out. Kung hindi dahil kay Moba Cray or Shura. See, ito yung nangyari. Lagi kong ano to si Shubarik eh. Hindi ko masyado yung nakakabaliktad. It's either Shuribax or Shubariks. Sorry, bunso ah. So, yun. In the future, make me smile and we can make the whole world smile. Okay? So that's my focus. Hindi to para sa akin yung mga ginagawa ko because this one right now, I already have buyers, customers, okay, na tutulong sa akin to buy our product itself. This is gonna be our product. See the future? The future is so bright. Nang dahil sa inyo, future is so bright. Imagine, you know how much it cost me kung ibibenta ko tong hoodie na ito? You know how much? Ano ito? Buhok ko pala yan. Magkano? This is gonna be $35. And how much is $35 when it comes to you guys? Look at the look at the future. Gagawin ko to para sa inyo. I have the resources, I have the machines, I have everything. Tiwala lang kayo, gagawin ko para sa iyo or sa inyo. So shout out to Nikki Rojas. He's really an excellent help right now sa mga ginawa ko ngayon. T-shirts. You know how much it costs if I'm gonna sell t-shirts? This is $20. We can do this. Get that one. Nice. Right? Look at the back, my friend. Yeah! This is what I'm talking about. Here in America, lahat ng mga tao dito gustong-gusto makita yung Philippines logo theme decals. Hindi yung kinukuha natin sa Google kasi mapipenalize tayo niyan. Okay? Another thing na pwede kong gawin dito, not only this, but a gaiter. Okay, tinatawag natin ito na gaiter or mask. Ito ba, bakante yan. Okay? It's a big one. I can put it like that. And then I can put a design. Right? A design, a Philippine theme design. Who can beat that? Sinong gumagawa nito na grupo ng mga anglers? Wala pang gumagawa nito, mga kaibigan, kundi ako lang muna at dito sa mga member na katulad niyo. Okay? Another thing na pwede kong gawin sa mga designs natin. Hats. Embroidered hats. Okay? I can do that. So I need you to share, like, and subscribe. And let other people subscribe. Kasi when they do subscribe, they can see the bell or any new videos that we are getting. And by that, you'll never know. Funds will pouring in. And I can help you whatever it is. Thanks be to God, right? Thanks to you for being here, for being if I can just explain every details of what I am doing. This is me. This is my world. Out of this door right now, how much money that I produce to help people. Okay? Ito mga ginawa ko ngayon. This is not for profit program, sa mga ginagawa ko is not for profit. Ginagawa ko to dahil I want to help my wife and I want to help. Okay. Marami na. I think one of you guys, or Nikki I guess, showed you yung video on how we are doing things. So, 8 minutes na. Grabe, ang bilis-bilis ah. Anyway, sana, okay, sana magtiyaga kayo and we can do this. God is our witness and God is my witness. We are in this together. Okay? We can do it. God bless Pinoy world anglers. And I want to see those fish and I want to see some fish. You guys fishing. Got it? This is me. Need some Ichiro right there, but that's okay. The back, Century 16. The side, our logo, PWA, and number right there, which is I believe. Ganda, no? God bless.